HYCULES NC Hydraulic Press Brake, Model 100T3200, is an economical and practical solution for sheet metal bending. Equipped with the S-Stun E21 control system, it offers easy operation, stable performance, and convenient parameter adjustment for daily production needs. The machine is fitted with a compensation system to improve bending accuracy and maintain consistent results along the full working length. With its reliable structure, user-friendly control, and cost-effective design, it is an ideal choice for customers seeking efficiency, durability, and practical value.